everyone, thank you for joining our Wagemaster Tutorials. Today we're going through how to set up work cover payments or how to process work cover payments in your Wagemaster. Let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster here. Now I'm looking at the pay period ending on 27th March. So you click on wages. I will go through my full-time employee, which is Graham. So Graham, let's assume usually he worked 90 hours in a week, but because of this work cover incident he only worked 45 hours. So rest of the 45 hours which covers by the insurance. So I'll leave it as a timesheet for 45 hours in here. I'll go into next. When we end the adjustment, all allowances is green. This is where we're gonna process the rest of the 45 hours through an work cover. So I go and add here. So the work covered wizard. Now work cover payment is 100% covered by the insurance, or some instance you might have to contribute later. So maybe 50% covered by the insurance, 50% you have to cover. So you need to edit this accordingly. So I'll leave it as it is and click on next. Now this is the rate. Usually program will picking up the default award and default pay rate from the employee. Okay, so then we need to select, okay, what dates it's going to be covered from the work cover. So I might select last 5 days from the work cover, so from 21st to 27th, and you just need to enter how many hours. So it would be 45. Now when you enter in the hours, always make sure you edit it as a 1 digit. So for example, if it's 45, just enter 45, don't put dot and 0 to include the minutes. Then if you click on next, it will automatically pick up the dollar value for this work cover payment. You can always edit it. And if you go on to next and finish, it will be editing there. Now if I go and click on next from the bottom and go through employee payslip, it should gives me the work cover payment option in there. So it says salary for 45 hours. Then this employee got a salary sacrifice superannuation payments, which is next line, and it says work cover payment from 21st March to 27th, which is for 45 hours, and the dollar amount. Alrighty, so if that's all good, I can save it. And that's how you process work cover payments. Alright, so thank you everyone for watching this video. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you're enjoying it. Have a great day.